Hey traders, welcome back. I'm Julia and today I'm breaking down a simple but extremely effective combination, RSI and Moving Average. This setup helps you to stay on the right side of the trend, filter out weak signals and time entries with much more confidence, especially when the market looks confused. I'll show you how I combine RSI momentum with MA direction, how I avoid false signals and how I trade this strategy in real market conditions. If you value clear, practical strategies, you can actually support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribing, and turning on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep sharing the real trading breakdowns with you. Alright, let's jump into the charts. My first profit is coming right there. AUD CAD, boom, $920. What a nice start of my trading session. So right now I can explain you. Now you saw with your own eyes that this strategy works, and now I can finally start explaining you what indicators I'm using with what configurations. Let's start first with RSI with the period 5, 70, 50, 30. And moving average with the period 20, and I'm using the symbol 1 today. So here I entered in the upward direction. So first of all that you can see is that our moving average crossed the bullish candle. For me, it's the signal to enter in the upward direction, the first signal. The second signal is that our RSI approaches the limit of 70, and as you can see it was actually crossing the 70, and that's why the price went up. And also we're entering for 5 candles every time we see the signal. But also don't forget about checking the support and resistance line and the trend line and the trend how it's called, and the trend direction. Enter only in the same direction of the main trend. So if it's a bullish trend, we're open the trades in the upward direction. When it's a bearish trend, we're open the trades in the downward direction. By the way, right now I can see that it's forming the signal in the downward direction, but I wouldn't say that it crosses the candle, so I would wait there. I don't think that it's a good time to enter here in the downward direction. So let's find more signals there. Now you know what, I want to enter here for 3 minutes in the downward direction in AUD CAD. Just formed a signal for 3 minutes in the downward direction, and KEC USD. As you can see, our moving average crossed the bearish candle, and RSI was close to 30, to the limit 30, and look how it went down just right now. Also don't forget to check the chart in the longer period of time. But you know what, I checked it on 10 minutes and it looks lateral here, so basically we can enter in the upward, in the downward direction, it doesn't really matter, but better to enter in the upward direction because as you can see here, it was for a long time in the downward parallel channel that I didn't draw, but maybe in the future I will. And here right now it's lateral, but mostly it's the upward trend, so I think it's gonna go up very soon. Let's hope that not right now and not in the next 2 minutes, because we need to get our profit. And by the way, AUD CAD, where is that? No, wait, yeah, AUD CAD is closing with a profit in a couple of seconds. Let's go. And we got there in 3, 2, 1. $920 are in my pocket. Amazing. Let's go for the next one. Another one, KEC. went down. We got $920 profit. Amazing. Let's try to find something to open in the upward direction, because so far we opened only trades in the downward direction. 3 minutes in the downward direction in CAD JPY. I know that I told you that I want to find one trade in the downward direction, but guys, the downward signals are finding me. I can't do anything with that. We have here a downward trend, and as you can see here, moving average crossed the bearish candlestick. Also, our RSI was super close to 30 limits. I couldn't but enter and hope to get my profit. I think this is gonna be my next favorite strategy after MACD and moving average, because look at this profit, $600. Of course we got today even more than that, but still amazing. 3 minutes and $600. You can also do that. In GBP, GPY just formed a signal in the upward direction, but it goes up super fast. But I think we can enter for 5 minutes in the upward direction. Here, though, it went up super fast. Let's hope it will continue going up, because I checked it on 10 minutes. It has the upward trend. It touched the the support level, the support line. And now I think it will go up, maybe even somewhere there. And on 30 seconds, the time frame that I'm operating, as you can see here, moving average crossed the bullish candlestick, green candlestick. Also, our RSI was super close to the 70 limit, so I think it's a good signal. And I think for 4 minutes is a good time, even though I told you to enter for only 5 candles, and I entered only for in the time frame 30 seconds. Just I think that I entered a little bit late. It would be good to enter somewhere here in the opening of this candle. But I think 5 minutes will be fine, and 5 minutes it will go up. I mean, even if we're not using this strategy, we can use here the support and resistance lines, and according to my analysis, the price should go up. AUDCHF, 3 minutes in the upward direction. I just entered. Here it crossed the bullish candle, and our RSI line is close to 70, above 50 units. And yeah, I think it's a good signal. And GBP, GPY just starts going up, but we don't have time. We have only 30 seconds left. Let's see if it's gonna make it or not. Oh my god, it looks super nervous, and I'm not sure. We need just maybe a little bit more time there, but that's fine to have 70-80% of your trades to be profitable, and 20-30% of your trades not to be profitable. And this is unfortunate. Oh my god, so close. Did you see that? That was super close. Just, I don't know, 10 more seconds and it would be profitable. Just the time. You see, now it starts going up. What is that, GBP, GPY? It has too much volatility, and that's why I told you already in the previous videos that it's better not to trade on the charts that have a lot of volatility, many risks, but sometimes you can open good trades. But this time volatility wasn't on my side, so that's completely fine. We will go further. Oh my, look how much it went up, and here comes the profit. I love this strategy. I love this profit of $920. Alright traders, that's a wrap for today's RSI plus MA strategy breakdown. You've seen how combining momentum and trend direction can give you cleaner setups and more controlled entries. Keep your strategy simple, stay disciplined, and let the market come to you. If this video helped you to see entries more clearly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.